Okay, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poland. So today I just decided to go to the area Swente Marcin. It's Monday. Uh, Monday is always busy day. Like many people are going already to work, and then I just want to show you the situation where the business center in Poznan, Poland. So I decided to have my afternoon coffee here in one coffee shop. It's called Lastrico Cafe, and what I see is that so many people are sitting here, so must be nice. Actually, how is the situation on Monday afternoon, lunchtime, and that's in front of me the Japanese restaurant, ramen restaurant. Unfortunately, Monday is closed. Yes, Monday restaurant is closed. And here's the coffee shop, and there is the complex of the corporate building, I think. Yeah. So coffee time. Look at this. They have so many nice pastries and cakes. I feel like I want to have a Cernik cheesecake, and you know that the most yummy delicious cheesecake is actually in Poland. So yeah, I want to have my one cheesecake. So finally I decided to buy one Cernik, which is cheesecake. This is look good, and the name of the coffee shop is Lastrico. So that's the coffee prices, and the ambience like this. Inside is the econ room. It's just like co-working spaces. Yeah, outside sitting like that. So after I've got my coffee and cake, I'll take you to stroll around the Swente Marcin Street. This Swente Marcin Street is also famous for the restaurant, central business district. Well, actually, from this Swente Marcin, and you go straight there, there will be Mercure, and there will be the Baltic building. So basically, that's all the central business district. As around me, many skyscrapers here, which is obviously corporate building. It is very hot currently. I think that is around 30 degrees or something. So yeah, good that the fountain works. I think that it's also a good time to stroll around to show you how is the day in Poland. There are so many restaurants. As I always mention, this one is another street here. Like this one Sping, that's one Bangkok offices, and upstairs I think Biedronka or something. Yeah. So look at this one. When you feel so hot, you can walk there. You can cool off yourself. So I'm in the second hand shop. So that's the price actually on today is about 70 zloty per kg. And here is the location. So that was a nice second-hand shop. Basically there are so many collection, and here's the tram, and we will go to the place where we could shop. Here in this area is in Guarna. Actually there are so many renovation. You see that old building in the front will be renovated soon, and down there will be a shop. And on the left, on the right side also there is a nice shop. Let's see, I wanna go to the Indian shop maybe. So now I am in the Indian shop. There are so many nice stuff here. If you really like to cook Indian food like curry or something like that. You see there are so many stuff here. I wanna buy this tiger balm. They have a long beans. They have this banana basically. They have a coconut. Very nice. And the cassava. So that was the Indian shop, and next to it is the Korean shop. They have a Kursyasike Korean skego. Korean class. Let's see what we're gonna buy here. There are so many Korean products basically here. They have a frozen lime. They have a chili. I see. They have edamame, spring roll. They have a kimchi, and they have the ramen. So many things. You see, there are so many Asian shop here. They have a steamed dumpling, gyoza. They also have so many sauce. Oh, they have the bean sprout here. Nice. They have a for the Thai paste. They have the sambal. So many things. Chili sauce, Thai spices. So many nice things. So have so many kimchi here. Noodle, tofu, golden curry. Nice. Basically, this is the area where there are so many shops, Asian, like Korean, Japanese, Indian, and there are so many Asian restaurants. What I see is that Poznan is actually the area where already international and enjoyable. I mean, like safe, and wherever you go, you feel like enjoyable. Nice. Just right in front of me is the church. Already 3 o'clock, so it means ding dong time. That in front of me is Adam Mickiewicz University, and next to it is the Asian restaurant. Like I told you, everywhere you go, you will find Thai restaurant, Vietnam, Chinese, Japanese, Indian. So yeah. Sitting here and watching how is the life actually, in a big city life. Time flies so fast. This is what I really like living in Poznan, is that very nice walk path where you can walk and enjoying the street. I mean, it's the traffic is under control, no stressful about traffic jam. It's nice. Even many people are here walking and sightseeing. It's nice. I think that I will take you to go to the church and let's see how it is inside, because I think in every church they have a different interior inside. That was the church. Now we are in the Zamek area. So this one is the yard behind the Zamek. It's beautiful garden, very well maintained, and it's nice. I'll show you there. There is a nice, beautiful fountain. Look at these beautiful big trees and the fountain. Nice. And that's the restaurant over there. Beautiful. We are back again in the Suento Martin Street, and I think this one is the most historical places and also the busiest street so far, where you can see that how is the life here. Old architecture building mixed with the brand new one, and that's the Baltic Business District. And I heard that on the top of it there is a Sky Bar long time ago. And look at this building, it's very nice. And that's also the Collegium Minus. Walking, cycling, the car, tram. This is a life in a big city life. I'll show you the last thing is the park. That is Adam Mickiewicz statue. So here is Adam Mickiewicz Park. It's nice. It's very nice. The fountain in the middle. Like I told you, no swimming pool, no problem. Nice. It is enjoyable Monday afternoon under the blue sky. It's nice. It's beautiful, nice ice cream shop. So the thing in summer is that there are so many ice cream shop. Let's go home. Walking. Look at this building, and this one is Damian's favorite ponchek o'clock. He eat a lot of ponchek already. Yes, so we are walking home, and here is the walking, not walking street, but walking path. It's so enjoyable. So I walk every day like 5-10 kilometers, and in front of me, nice brand new building, and it's gonna be brand new apartment, just like this. It's beautiful Monday. Actually, it's very nice weather. What I can say then, it's summer holiday. That's why that wherever you go, you know, it's just like people are on holiday, slow living. Even in the central business district, you feel like really not much happening. Right, so I think that's all my video today, guys. My day in Poznan. I know that it's just like repeated every day, you know, the same place and again. So this is how is my daily life. So going to the park, going to have a coffee shop when I'm already finished working. It's nice. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.